Every year, millions of dollars in crypto are lost because people trust exchanges with their assets. But when your coins are on an exchange, you don't actually control them. In this video, I'll explain why self-custody is the most important rule in crypto, and why serious investors never leave their coins on exchanges. Self-custody means holding your crypto in a wallet where you control the private keys. Private keys are secret codes that allow you to access and move your coins on the blockchain. Whoever controls those keys ultimately controls the assets. When you leave your crypto on an exchange, the platform holds the private keys for you. That means the exchange controls your coins, not you. The moment you move your crypto into your own wallet, true ownership begins. In crypto, there is a simple rule: not your keys, not your coins. Leaving your crypto on an exchange exposes you to risks you cannot control: hacks, bankruptcy, or frozen withdrawals. History has shown this many times. Platforms like FTX collapsed almost overnight, while the bankruptcy of Mt. Gox left users waiting years to recover their funds. When something goes wrong, customers have almost no control and must rely on long legal processes. Even if an exchange is honest, it can still freeze withdrawals during extreme market conditions or suffer major security breaches like the $1.4 billion Bybit hack we witnessed in early 2025. This is exactly why self-custody matters. When you control your private keys, these risks largely disappear. The solution is simple: move your crypto from exchanges to a personal wallet where you control the private keys. This means you are the only person who can access and authorize transactions with your assets. For maximum security, many investors use hardware wallets, physical devices like Ledger, Trezor, or Tangem that keep your keys completely offline. No exchange can freeze them, no hacker can reach them, no company bankruptcy can touch them. And that is not just security, that is sovereignty over your own wealth. In crypto, there is a simple rule: not your keys, not your coins. If you want true ownership, self-custody is not optional, it's essential. Because in the end, financial sovereignty begins the moment you control your own keys.